Right
Last
over
time
here.
they opened, what did they open? Machine?
Use a machine, but here, like I said, sometimes they don't need the machine.
Ah, sometimes they don't need the machine.
Yeah, it just needs to unscrew it. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
that's what I'm talking about. Precision.
That's the machine they did last time, yours?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's because I have a different kind of back than you. You got 4 screws. Awesome. This is the way to go right here. Look at this. We're over here at Synchro.
Does it say
Down by
Synchro?
the Upper Ground South exit, right outside of National Bookstore, across from BPI Bank. Also by Ray.
Oh, look at that, huh?
Ken.
Oh,
At
man.
Synchro right here, next to Sprinto, we have this watch center, and this fine
Oh, wow, this is the first
young
time.
man is fixing this watch. I'm pretty sure it's the battery. It's been, how long has it been since you had a battery?
3 years.
3 years. Look at that precision. ICM Mall, Island City Mall. Come on over. Get your watch fixed. There's no sense getting a new one. Unless you really want one, I guess. But this is a really nice watch. So.
Ah, they have a plastic. That's why they don't get wet, right?
That I don't know.
Get your head off them.
Could be. Oh.
Wow.
How much? $350. Okay.
Okay. How many years, kuya? 1 to 2 years.
1 to 2 years.
$7 per battery.
$7 about approximately.
350 pesos.
Yeah. By 350 by 50. I usually just use 50. It's easy. 7 times about 350.
Yeah.
So you're looking at about 350 pesos.
Yeah.
$7. Okay.
Wow. Well,
Great.
that's a
Max
big,
out. Yeah.
big battery.
Big flat battery. It's funny, they're all different shapes and sizes too.
Yeah.
You really got to know what you're doing to do this stuff too. Look at that, he's cleaning off. That's really good.
That's cool. Wow.
Tamara.
They fixed it.
Look at that.
Oh, cool, right?
Yeah. Super, super cool.
No?
It didn't work?
No?
Oh no.
What happened? Oh. So we'll see what's not working yet.
Oh, shocking.
Broke?
Oh man.
Maybe broke. Oh,
It works? Oh wow.
is the battery problem now? Ano problema? Battery? Ha? Ah, reset. Just need to reset.
Just needed to reset. Who knew? He did. Synchro. That's why.
Yeah, Synchro is really good.
Synchro is great.
This guy here, Synchro.
Synchro. They got some nice watches here too. That's a pretty.
Yeah, you should give me a new one. Just kidding.
Yeah, we're on the same page.
Which one? Oh, the blue is amazing there. The blue. Ask them how much. It's really good. Okay. Like a glue. It's cool. They put it back. Nice. That's my BBG after 3 years. Put it back with him. Alright.
Oh, we got the scare of our life there. We thought it wasn't going to work.
I know.
I was like, no.
Nah, it's quiet.
We're just having fun. Don't
You
mind
make
us.
it lock
We're
too.
boys. We're boys.
That's my BBG after 3 years.
This is my baby.
Wow. Ooh. Really good. Wow.
It's never continued to so I know.
He's trying to put set the time. Oh wow. Which one, the green or blue?
Here. Right there,
The QQ? Oh yeah, I like that.
Sorry, I don't have enough change.
Show it here, Mom. The green and the blue.
I
Right
know.
there, right there.
Like that one, QQ. Get here.
Keep the dream alive.
These kind are